Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mark from TST Industries here today in the shop. Today's video is going to be a product feature episode on our TST Y-style signal harness splitters. This is a product that is kind of my pride and joy. This is something I came up with the idea of. I brought it up to Bart, our company owner, the guy you love, and he said, yeah, go for it. So in short, this is just a set of converters that allows you to use two sets of signals on one OEM connection point. That way you never have to worry about cutting your wires or splicing or anything like that. It makes everything really hassle-free, clean installation, and it gets the job done. Why did we create this? Well, it's simple. We saw a need in the market and we decided to fill it. We do know that a lot of people like our integrated taillights. They love that the signals are built in, but we also know that when you're on a motorcycle, visibility is priority. So a lot of people want to use our taillights and also want to use either their stock signals or one of our LED signal kits that we offer. So this product right here allows you to do that. And you never have to worry about wiring. It's all plug and play, ready to go. Right now we offer them for Kawasaki, Honda, and Yamaha. As we continue to grow and expand our horizons and get more makes and models, and we will grow with that market and offer them for various manufacturers. But for now, we do have the three big dogs in the game covered, so you're all good to go. Without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead, we're gonna hop on over to the bike, show you how it works, and show you the various cases that you would use them. So let's go ahead. All right, so here we are walking over to the bike. Before I dive in, as you can see, we do have the external signal mounted only on one side, just for video purposes, but we do not have it connected. We only have the integrated taillight connected. So I'm just gonna show you what we're working with currently, and then you'll see the end result. As you can see, taillight turns on, it powers on, left signal, right signal. Both signals are flashing at the correct rate and in the correct orientation, but we want to go ahead and introduce an additional set of signals into our already integrated taillight. So the use of our Y-style signal harness splitter allows you to do that and retain plug and play functionality across the board. Without using these Y-style signal harness splitters, you would be required to splice into either the signal wiring or your bike's OEM harness. We want to avoid that as much as possible and enable plug and play functionality across the board. It just makes life a whole lot easier. So this is really simple. We're gonna go ahead and just disconnect the turn signal plug from our taillight. And again, these are meant to be used with OEM style connections. So please keep that in mind. If you have signals that just have bullet connectors, you will need to get some sort of plug and play converter like the ones we sell as well. So this is really, really brainless. We're gonna go ahead and take one connection, plug it in, take the other connection, plug it into the other side, and then we're gonna take the opposite end of the Y-style signal harness splitter and plug it into the bike. When doing so, you wanna make sure that all of these connections click when you insert them. That ensures that the locking mechanism is engaged. So right now we have it all wired up. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what we're working with. Just ensure that everything is working properly and flashing at the correct rate. And boom, there it is. So as you can see, we do have our sequential signal function in our integrated taillight, and then we also have the external signals here. It gives it a nice contrast while really, hammering down what direction you're traveling to make riders and drivers behind you aware of your indications on the road. Flashing at the correct rate, all plug and play, and you never have to worry about it ever again. This will work with OEM signals as well. So if you want to keep your OEM fender on and you really like our integrated taillight and want to run both signals together, you can do that. Just please make sure you understand that these are meant to be used with OEM connections. All of our signals are plug and play. Some other products on the market are not, so just please keep that in mind when you're purchasing these. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, if you want to check this out or gather some more information, please visit our website, tstindustries.com. Leave a comment below. But other than that, that's it for now. It's a nice day out, so we're gonna go for a ride. This has been Mark at TST Industries. Catch you guys next time.